Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we are back at Walgreens, and we have a penny item, which is crazy. And then for all of you shoppers that really love the fancy dancy Olay skincare, I have a very good deal, $3.79 for this eye cream that's almost like 42 bucks. Yes. So the first thing that we're going to touch on are the penny prints. Through the website only, please pay attention to that, website only, you can get 20 4x6 prints using the code penny20. So it is once per account, but make it happen, 20 cents for a bunch of photos. Yes. Typically with Walgreens, they give us like for Father's Day, Mother's Day, any big occasion, an 8x10 print. But these 20 4x6s, which are the smaller prints, we typically don't get a coupon code for that. I think around Christmas time they put it out once. So this is pretty rare. And for 20 cents, like, make it happen. Cute animals, cute grandkids, cute kids. You need the prints. Make it happen. And I know a lot of you love our big Tomcat pumpkin. And this was on his cell phone, and I don't have an explanation for it. It's a very weird photo. And why the cat has a cell phone, I also don't understand that. Maybe he's trying to shop at Walgreens doing my curbside offers. But if any of you have, where did this money come from? I'm still kind of like perplexed by this picture. Let me know in the comments down below. So the next deal that we're going to do, I recommend that you do this curbside, which means you order this through the Walgreens app, cell phone, desktop, computer, that left box with the red check. You order the stuff, you drive to the store, and you go pick it up. And that is known as a curbside pickup. Very easy. So I know that in store, a lot of the Olay products are on clearance. So, I mean, if you can't track something down specifically and you still want to try this in store, I mean, use the app and scan. But this is the coupon in question, which is a 10 off of 2 off of the Olay premium line. I just ran out of time to go scan absolutely everything in store a couple days ago. But it seems like these products have dropped a little bit. There's this one, which is the Olay Collagen Peptide 24 Max Eye Cream. What a mouthful. The original price is $47.99 down to $11.99. So, like, that's the stuff that you just dab, dab, dab around your eyes and you look like Jennifer Aniston. 2 of those is $23.98. Make sure you have your coupon loaded. And then we have the code WAG10 for another $1.40 off. So, yes, that is quite nice. Now, just looking at this as a curbside, 2 of those lotions for $23.98, WAG 10, free curbside pickup, tax, $10 digital coming off. With your debit card, you have to pay $13.98. The promotion with Olay, this higher end skincare, is to spend 20, get back 5, and as you see, you're getting back your $5 in Walgreens cash. So it shakes it out to basically before tax, $3.79 per fancy dancy eye cream. That's like almost what, like $47. So some tremendous, tremendous, tremendous savings. Do this deal ASAP. It's going to get cleared out quickly. We also have this Olay Regenerist Shea Butter and Peptide 24-hour face moisturizer, 1.7 ounces for $10.99. Also applying with that digital coupon and the 5 back when you spend 20. Make that magic happen. Unfortunately, that was cleared at my store. And then the final one, another eye cream. This one is the Olay Regenerist Shea Butter Peptide 24-hour fragrance free. That's kind of a bonus for $10.99, original price $41.99. So if you like these fancier skin creams, it is the springtime. A lot of us who live in colder climates, it's been a winter. I would put your order in, get your penny prints and your cheap Olay skincare, because this is like premium line, fancy dancy stuff. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.